Well, hello there, fabulous people. Let me show you how to make this absolute refreshing frozen berry smoothie. All you need is 4 simple ingredients. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is some frozen strawberries. Then I'm going to also use some frozen blueberries, 1 whole super ripe banana, and 1 cup of milk. I'm going to simply throw this straight into my blender, ready for blending. Now, on a quick note to remember, as with all recipes, remember to adjust the quantity of your ingredients depending on how much serving you're trying to make. So feel free to use more berries or less berries as you wish. So now I'm going to blend this until it's nice and silky smooth with absolutely 0 lumps in it. Once I'm satisfied that it's all nice and smooth, I'll just take it off my blender and it's ready to serve. Now take a look at this absolute gorgeousness. It is super duper refreshing and also quite healthy. I find that berries and bananas have already got their natural sweetness to it, so there is absolutely no need to add any more sugar to it. However, feel free to add some syrup if you prefer. So here's how I make my super easy to make 4 ingredients only frozen berries smoothie. It is just perfect for this hot summer weather. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.